Hello, bonjour, gracias. Thank you for joining us. I'm Erfan Chowdhury, one of the co-founders of Next One Technology. We started our presentation with a short video about Next One Fire Chasers UAS. Thank you for watching. Today, we are going to talk about Next One's first commercial product, the MAWA One Wildfire Detection and Analysis System, built from the ground up specifically to fight wildfires. Before we get into the details, let's talk a little bit about Next One. In 2019, a few very young and naive professionals from aerospace industry got together in order to do something about climate change. We chose managing wildfire would be our cause, and Next One was born. Here we are after 2 years with a product which we think about 80% cheaper and much more effective than anything else in the market today. Let's talk about the details, shall we? MAWA One was designed around Next One's triple E principle. They consist of being efficient, economical, and easy to operate. In order to meet our triple E objective, we created a modular design built around 3 fully independent, customizable, and swappable modules. They are an airborne platform, a sensor package, and a processing software. We have worked with multiple provincial fire management agencies in Canada to gather initial requirement for this project. Based on their input, we have optimized MAWA One primarily for 3 missions: detection, attack, and document/mapping. As shown in this table, any wildfire management agency can very easily optimize MAWA One for the required mission by simply picking the right combination of module from our catalog. This brings in unprecedented level of flexibility and simplicity during field deployments. Now, let's talk about individual modules. First up is airborne platform. MAWA One was designed from the ground up to be compatible with both manned and unmanned aircraft without any additional certification. Next One's long-range fire chaser UAS is designed to meet beyond visual line of sight requirements for most regulatory agencies around the world. This makes MAWA One extremely flexible in terms of deployment in any regulatory or geographic environment. Next up is our sensor package. MAWA One uses a high-resolution, wide-angle integrated multi-sensor package, which is capable of recording high-resolution radiometric thermal image, ultra-high-resolution color still image, as well as thermal and high-definition video. Additional detail about our sensor package is marked in the images on this slide. I will give you a few minutes to go through the details. Last but not least, the processing software. This is where the magic happens. Next One has developed proprietary software to collect and process a wide range of data from the MAWA One sensor package. Advanced algorithm designed around temperature anomalies assisted by various other metadata are applied in order to find the size, intensity, and location of active fires as well as various hotspots around them. Each thermal image taken by the system receives its unique identification, which is then attached to 4 additional data files. A quick radiometric analysis file, or QRA, provides the highest recorded temperature for that image along with location and altitude data. A detailed radiometric analysis file, or DRA, highlights the regions with documented temperature anomalies for each thermal image along with detailed location data. The third item is a 640 by 512 pixel raw thermal image file. The last item is a high-resolution full color image shown in the bottom corner of this slide. Additionally, for every identifiable hotspot, a hybrid thermal/color image is produced in order to visually summarize all collected data points as shown on image number 103036 on this slide. This is a detailed radiometric analysis file or DRA for the same thermal image, serial number 103036, highlighting the temperature anomalies. This slide shows an example of typical data flow, starting with raw thermal image in the red box, followed by quick radiometric analysis data on Excel table, a high-resolution color image, and finally a hybrid thermal/color image with the identified hotspot along with associated temperature data. Let's take a look at some high-quality orthomosaic maps we have produced for one of our clients in Costa Rica. Total mapped area for this mission was over 2,000 hectares, which we were able to complete in about an hour using the Fire Chaser UAS. The final product was produced using our in-house photogrammetry software and delivered to client using NextOne's secure customer portal. This is a multispectral image typically used to monitor crop health. In this picture, green means a healthy crop, red means build up urban areas like building, roads, or even water bodies. This is a surface model of the area that shows elevation change. Using the same technology, we can produce thermal as well as hybrid orthomosaic of similar nature that would show size and intensity of active fires as well as precise location of various hotspots in and around the fire zone. Now, I'm going to end this presentation with a single graph that is going to summarize what we're trying to achieve with MAWA-1. Traditional aircraft-based thermal scanning systems are very complex and expensive to operate. Typically, there is a pilot along with a sensor operator and additional cost for data processing and so on. Total cost for these systems are generally north of $1 per hectare when all the costs are accounted for. Our MAWA-1 system is light and simple enough to be operated by a single pilot in a single engine aircraft without any certification or modification. Thanks to these innovations, we can offer an aircraft-based MAWA-1 system for 30 to 50 cents per hectare depending on availability and cost of aircraft charter. An UAS-based MAWA-1 system can reduce this cost even more to around 10 to 20 cents per hectare. These are all-inclusive costs with the final product being a thermal orthomosaic map delivered to the decision makers. At this cost level, any fire management agency in the world should be able to deploy an airborne thermal sensor whenever they require one. And this is exactly the mission of MAWA-1 is. We are ready to work with anyone from anywhere within this industry to fulfill our mission. And we are counting on your support to get us there. Please follow our progress on nextone.tech. And thank you very much for listening.